I pressed it. Ollie! I have to make sure I don't trip. I'm scared now. I'm scared. Look at Ollie. Oh, my finger was in the way. Is that fine? Yeah, my finger was in the way. It's good. Oh man, guys, I'm trying to not go down. Oh! Okay. That was funny. Okay. Oh, look at all of the ducks. Cosmeston. This is Cosmeston. Look at all of the ducks. It's nice here. Ah! Okay. Ah! Ollie trying. Look at Ollie. Look at Ollie. Oh, there's baby birds here.
Ollie.
Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Just staying still. Okay, that was random. Yes, I was vlogging. That was random, okay, and now he's crying. Okay, that's random as well. Hey, stop. Yeah, my finger's in the way. See my finger here? You know who this is? Yeah, it's me. Ah! I'm going to drop the phone into the ocean. And look at this. Now he's pooping. What? Look at this. Ew! Ew! Look at that! Look at it! That's gross. Okay. Oh! Whoa! Ooh! Sorry, I got so tangled. Okay, let's go. Look at these. Oh man, Dada, I shouldn't have had gloves because my hands are freezing now. Oh. Okay. Know who this is? That's me. The superhero. Okay, let's go. Look at this. No, watch. Ew, I feel like I stepped on poop. Okay, that's gross. Okay. Guys, wait, I need to watch. Okay.
I'm just going to take this. Come on. Take I'll pop this somewhere.
Put it in the bin, okay? My dad, look at that poo bag. He's going to put the poo bag in the bin. So, to wait. Let's go. I'm trying to do a fake shot, and you can see what Ollie's like. Oh, he's going poo now. Pee. Okay, going pee. Oh, I want to do a fake shot, Ollie. Okay. Ollie! 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 He's going to pee. Ew, he peed. Okay. What are you doing now? Did you see line up. Let's do honey. Okay. Look at him now. Ollie, what are you doing? Okay. Go, Ollie. Go. Okay, I'm too far away now. Just go a bit further. There you go. Yeah, that's. Okay. Oh, Ollie, stop. Oh, ew! Okay, that's gross. Oh. I have to go a bit quicker here. I don't want it to be too blurry. Let's don't get it smart. Let's go now meet another dog. Look, there's dogs over there. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm catching up. Just wait, okay? Don't be mean to a vlogger, okay? You have to be patient. Oh, look at this. Coming. Okay, we are just too near to the park. Can see you see that? That's the park over there. Right over there. And right there, okay? That's where the park is. Let's keep on going. I wanna go. Dad, can we go to the park? Yes. Oh, there's a bunch of dogs over there, look. Yeah, you can't really see because we... Oh, Ollie. That red thing is his coat. So he didn't get cold and my hands are freezing. I need gloves. Let's go. Keep on going. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. He's pooing. I'm vlogging him poo. Okay. Wait, it's funny. Okay, fine. See the park over there? We get near it. Can either. Oh, that's just a seagull park over there. Right there. That's the park. Oh, okay. That finished. There could be bins there you might. Yeah, there's bins there you could put it in. Okay. Put the food in. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm going on the grass. Okay, it's muddier. Just wait. Look at Ollie. I go 1 for my life. I want to do a face here. Look at him. Look at that. Ollie. Okay, there you go. Yes, let's go to the pool. Oh, Daddy, I almost dropped your phone. Oh, that could be bad. Okay, it's fine now.
I'm gonna release Ollie now.
Oh yeah, I'm going. He's going to get released. He's gonna be 3. He's gonna be 3. He's gonna be 3, watch. Watch, he's gonna be 3. Oh, there you go. He's 3 now. Look at that happy boy. Look, what's he doing now? Oh, see it, look. Dad, I'm gonna go to the park now and go. Dad, I'm going to the park now. No, I'm going to the park. Okay, go. I'm going.